Kyle, You're Behind BBQ, and today we're making teriyaki salmon burnt ends. All right, so we got our fresh salmon out. We're gonna lay her down and we're gonna start squaring them up. Leave the skin on. Now we're gonna separate these. All right, now we're gonna cut them into cubes. Once these are all diced, I like to get your favorite teriyaki sauce, whatever you like to do. Mine is the Very Teriyaki, it's my favorite one. I will get a Ziploc, then I will place all of these in the Ziploc. Once they're in the Ziploc, throw some teriyaki sauce in there. Only use about half because we're gonna use the other half towards the end. Pour this in here. Mix it up a little bit. Put it in the fridge, you're gonna let it marinate for 4 hours. All right, after the 4 hours, you're gonna spray a cooling rack. They're gonna stick, but this kind of helps it not stick so much. Then we're gonna start pulling them out, placing them on the rack. Now that they're placed on the rack, we're gonna season them with our Arizona Cajun rub. Now you can use any type of rub you'd want. This works well for us. This is what I like. Gives it a nice little kick. GMG is fired up at 300 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there and let them roll. Now we got our leftover teriyaki sauce and we are gonna drip just a little bit on top. All right, then we got some sesame seeds we're gonna dap them with. Dap some more sesame seeds on there. Now let's hit them with some little green onions. You ready to serve? Gotta try them. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one.